Question 21. Four choices, very similar with a variation of conjunction and punctuation, tells us that this is a question of punctuation amongst our boundaries. Be sure to read the ideas carefully so that we know where the idea begins and ends. After the United Kingdom began rolling out taxes equivalent to a few cents on single-use plastic grocery bags in 2011, plastic bag consumption, this is finally our subject, plastic bag consumption decreased by up to 90%. Such taxes are subject to what economists call. So here, taxes are verb subject to what economists call the rebound effect. The first idea that we had ended clearly with percent, up to 90%. The second idea began with such taxes are subject to what economists call the rebound effect. Therefore, we learned that the first idea from after down to percent and from such down to effect need to be separated with clear punctuation, which tells us that choice C is our only choice that will have sentence A and B separated by clear period usage. Choice A is what we typically call a comma splice for having two independent clauses. This is going to be a run-on sentence, and this is even a worse run-on. So clearly our correct answer choice for 21 is choice C, percent with period such.